Hi everyone. Today myself Sunil Kumar Jaiswal, solution specialist in manufacturing at Capricorn Technology, uh, bring you to our weekly Tech Tuesday on how to use Write Block and Block Editor. Capricorn Technology, a Win Zero company and partner of choice for the AEC industry, is one of the biggest platinum partner of Autodesk and Bentley. Along with authorized training center, we have 300 plus inspired team members. Capricorn is serving over 20,000 customers in AEC and associated industry. Today agenda. Today agenda is uh, what with the help of block and block editor, we design in a systematic way in precise and less time. So let's move on the AutoCAD screen and we will see how to use block and block editor. When we make any design, we have to use something again and again in the design. So we can save it in the block as per requirement and we can use it again. So for right block, what we have to do, we have to type W, W and enter. Then right block window will come. So there is some option base point. So first of all, click on base point and click on pick insertion base point. And suppose I want to make this window as a block. So click on corner point, then select convert to block option, choose convert to block option, then click on display a standard file selection dialog box and save it. So there is some name window and click the save button, then OK. So no object have been selected. This message will come. So we have to again pick point and select object. So we have to select this object, enter, and click on this button and save. Then OK. So this window is saved as a block. So if I want to insert this block, so for insert the block, type I, enter, and double click on the block, the defined block, minimize, click on the screen and block is inserted. Again, double click and here is option scale and rotate. If you want to scale this window, then select scale option and you can give the scale factor like 2, enter. So like again, I enter, double click and just you can give the rotation to rotate 45 degree, then this window insert like this. So if you want to edit anything in a block, there is a command called block editor. So for block editor, click on the block editor option. this option is block editor option. Click on block editor and select block, window block, then OK. Okay. So a next window will come. So we can change the window size, eh, or anything editing we can possible in this block. So suppose uh, I want to hatch in this window. So for hatch, type H, enter, and select color, then enter. Just save it, save block, and close block. Then what happened? All changes have been done in window, all the blocks. So this is very interesting commands, block editor command. So today I have covered two options, write block and block editor. For more videos and updates, do subscribe our channel Capricorn Technology Private Limited and like and comment if you like the Tech Tuesday video. And we would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestion, query, or topic you would want to discuss. See you next week. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.